If you're into hiking and wall camping, you must watch this video. I'm going to display the difference on an inner pitch tent and outer pitch tent. Starting with the outer pitch first, it's really easy to set up and it's really good for wet conditions. On the inner pitch first, you will struggle in wet conditions because you still have to set up the inner mesh and then put the fly sheet over. That means if it's raining, your things are going to get wet. But on the good side, they're normally lighter and then perfect for summer conditions. The outer pitch tent, it means it can handle really harsh conditions. With that said, let me know what you prefer and put in the comments the name of your tent.